So this is a video tutorial on how to tink, T-I-N-K, which is basically to unknit. The word tink is the word knit spelled backwards. And it's very useful to know as a beginner knitter how to simply go back to a mistake by unknitting back to that point and then fixing it versus having to rip out everything and starting over again. So I've noticed here that I've got this hole or a gap in my knitting, and I'd like to unknit back to that point or tink back. So the way to do that is you insert your left needle into the stitch below on your right hand needle. You've noticed here that your working yarn is coming off that back stitch. So you simply insert your needle in that stitch below, transfer it to your left hand needle, and then release it, release the working yarn. Again, insert into the stitch below, transfer it to the left needle, and then that yarn you can pop out.